Hello and welcome back to another video from Eat Skinny Life. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make Diet Cola chicken. Now this does sound a bit strange, but believe me, it is really tasty and really delicious. So let's get cooking. And that is it. Who'd have thought that you could cook a delicious meal with a can of Coke? Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, consider hitting the like button, and also if you'd like to keep up to date with new videos, consider hitting the subscribe button as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.